Hello, I've got for you today something that will eventually become special. This is an unopened 146 fountain pen from Montblanc. And this is how they usually come if you get them unopened directly from the retailer. Of course, when you buy it, they'll open it with you, check to be sure that nothing's wrong with it, and then give you a nice clamshell case to present it in. But this is basically how it comes directly from the manufacturer. And what I'll be doing with this is I'll be putting on a bespoke nib on this particular pen. So Montblanc offers a service where they will provide you with a writing evaluation. They'll take a look at how you write, what your preferences are, and sort of not so much analyze your writing, but recommend a particular type of nib. And so I've done that, and I know the type of nib that they'll be getting for me, and I've been taking some time to think about sort of what pen do I want it on. They usually recommend that you put on a more expensive pen because getting a bespoke nib is rather pricey. But I think I'd rather have it on something like this that I can use every day, that won't be too flashy, and that can still be interesting enough. And once you have the bespoke nib, you can always switch it to another one of these pens if the pen itself deteriorates. So not sure how long that's going to take, but hopefully I'll be able to share that with you in the next few months when it actually is returned to me from Hamburg. So there you have it. If you buy, usually the 149s come like this as well, the Classiques, and the 146 and the Legrands will come this way as well. So if you get a pen directly from the retailer, you'll get it in something like this before you check it in the store. If somebody tries to sell you something like this, claimed unopened in a clamshell box that's sealed, it likely isn't particularly genuine. However, Montblanc has mentioned that they are phasing these things out, and eventually they will be shifting all their pens to the regular clamshell boxes. I've yet to see that actually happen, so for now they're still sending them out like this. But there you go. I thought I'd share that quickly with you. And hopefully in the next few months I'll be sharing with you the experience of buying a bespoke nib for this particular pen.